You're fine. Shut up! No one asked you.
And this is my physics project. Yeah. Okay, 10 cups. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
One of them fell, so just use it. Who cares? 10 eggs.
10 eggs.
Swag.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. Ready? 1. This is scary.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job, Mal. By the way, she stepped in dog poop.
Shut up.
Bye.